Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going out to see how the street is going to be today.
Hello guys, look at Isabella.
As you come,
Bella, say hello.
Hello.
Look at Olivia. Olivia, say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Olivia, say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh yeah, Bella, come. So guys, today we are doing a vlog, guys, family vlog.
Family vlog.
Since the beginning of the lockdown, my kids have not been outside. We only go to our garden at the back of our house. They have not gone out to the city, so now they have said that they can start going out, but their schools are still on lockdown. So the schools, they are still on lockdown, but they said you can go out with your mask. But the kids from 6 years downward, they don't have to use mask. So I have my mask in my bag. You can only wear the mask when you are going to a shop or supermarket where there are a lot of people. So but when you are walking on the streets, you don't need the mask. So we are going to the city so that the kids, they have missed going to the city and the playing ground. Look at them.
Yes guys, back. We are here. We are here.
So that is
Let us go
guys.
check out the street how it's going to be today.
We just decided to take you guys along. They have missed going to the playing ground and everything. So we just decided to take a stroll and have So guys, Bella, are you happy now that you are going to the city today?
Yeah.
What do you want to buy today?
Ice cream.
You want ice cream?
A hamburger.
Ice
cream, a hamburger, and pizza.
You want ice cream, hamburger, and pizza?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the children. There are a lot of children in the playing ground, but I don't think we are going there. I don't think, because there are too much people, Bella. You don't have. Okay guys, this is the one of the playing ground that is very close to our house. As you can see, there are a lot of people in the playing ground today. There are a lot of kids there. Let me zoom it. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of people. This playing ground is actually very close to our house. We have the other playing ground, but they are renovating it during this lockdown. They have locked that place up. They are trying to renovate it. So we are just going to walk past the playground because there are a lot of children there. I don't think the kids will play there today because there are a lot of children there. So we are going to the city to get some ice cream to eat, guys. We just need to get, according to Bella, some ice cream and some pizza to eat. So that is it, guys. This is the playing ground. There are a lot of kids there. So we are not going there. Actually, we are walking past it.
Are they using rainbow dust?
So
Are they using rainbow dust? Yeah, very cool.
it's very cool.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the city, there are a lot of people now because they can go out, but with the mask.
No bad pizza now. And because
So guys, that is it. So we are happy to be out here today, and the kids, they are also happy for the new development. There's a lot of people in the streets now. So guys, that is it. My Bella is here, and Olivia is here. We are going to get some ice cream now. They could not go to the playing ground, so we just need to get something to eat. We miss eating out, guys, but now that everything is going back to normal, we happy. We are happy. That is the Ganse family, guys. Everyone is here. Everyone is here, guys. Only where's your mask? Mine is inside my bag. Okay.
Did you see that bad water?
ice cream are you eating?
Lemon and orange.
And you?
Chocolate.
Vanilla.
Oladipo should go and sit down. Come and sit down here. Go and sit down. Osi, come here, come here. Bring your hand. Go and sit down.